I'm Jeannie Bimesa. I'll discussing Chapter 3, the Managing System Project. Chapter Summary. Project management is a process of planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting on the development of an information system. A successful project must be completed on time, within budget, and deliver a quality product that satisfies user and meets requirements. Project management techniques can be used throughout the SDLC. Project managers are responsible for project planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting. Planning includes identifying all project tasks and estimating the completion time and cost of each. Project scheduling involves the creation of a specific timetable, usually in the form of chart that show tasks, task dependencies, and critical tasks that might delay the project. Project monitoring required guiding, supervising, and coordinating the project team workload. The project manager must monitor the process, evaluate the result, and take corrective action when necessary to control the project and stay on target. Project reporting include regular progress reports to management, user, and the project team itself. Effective reporting requires strong communication skill and sense of what others want and need to know about the project. Planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting all take place within a larger project development framework, which include three key steps: creating a work breakdown structure, identifying task pattern, and calculating the critical path. A work breakdown structure must clearly identify each task and include an estimated duration. A task or activity is an work that has a beginning and end and requires the use of company resources such as people, time, or money. Time and cost work that one person can accomplish in one day. Estimating the time for the project activities is more difficult with larger systems. Project manager must consider the project size and scope, IT resources, prior experience with similar project or system, and applicable constraints. In addition to tasks, every project has event or milestone. An event or milestone is a recognizable reference point that you can use to monitor progress. Task pattern establish the sequence of work in a project. Task pattern involve dependent tasks, multiple successor tasks, and multiple predecessor tasks. In a larger project, this pattern can be very complex. A critical path is a series of tasks which is delayed would affect the completion date of the overall project. If a task of a critical path falls behind schedule, the entire project will be delayed. Tasks on critical path cannot be slack time. To identify the critical path, you calculate the start and finish date for each task, which will determine the critical path for the project. A paired or CPM chart shows the project as a network diagram with tasks connected by arrows. Using the prescribed calculation method, the project manager uses paired or chart to determine the overall duration of the project and provide specific information for each task, including the task IDs, their duration, start and finish time, and the order of which they must be performed. With this information, the manager can determine the critical path, which is the sequence of tasks that have no slack time and must be performed and scheduled in order to meet the overall project deadline. In the end, every successful information system must support business requirements, stay within budget, and be completed on time. Sound project management involves the same skills as any other management. The project manager must be perfective, analytical, well organized, and good communicator. Of the project manager, since the project is off track, he or she must take immediate steps to diagnose and solve the problem. If the project manager fails to plan, stop, organize, supervise, communicate, motivate, evaluate, direct, and control properly, then the project is certain to fail. Even, even when factors outside his or her control contribute to the failure, the project manager is responsible to recognizing the early warning sign and handling them effectively.